Painting guy's pretty smart.
Painting guy's pretty smart.
Joey, what'd you do to your truck, dude?
Well,
I guess we did do a video of struggling to get the box
how about
off.
we put that right?
All
right. So the bed came off.
She needed some force, but
and there's some things welded to it that weren't supposed to be welded to it. And I already knew this when I bought it, but the frame's cracked. Right.
in more places than we originally thought.
So I knew it's cracked on this side, and this side's actually not bad.
Mm-hmm.
That side, I ground out all the welds.
Kind of get a glimpse of it, right?
I kind of was just like getting to it today. I didn't record earlier, but so it was. The guy didn't even take the box off to try and weld the frame right there. So he just kind of glued it together, and so I had to grind it all out and reline up the frame, and then this guy stuck some welds on her. So yeah,
I thought this was pretty nifty.
So yeah, if you're in a pinch and you don't have a bed and you're pretty cool like that,
pinch, you got a limp dick.
wire it up. See, this like fuel cap is new because I sanded the other one on asphalt, and yeah.
So we're hooking up the Zeus machine, and we'll get some cool videos of the welds, I guess.
There's like halos going on. It's cool.
Yeah, there's a light upgrade. I was just doing that. But,
Light upgrade. It's bright.
We went to the 4 bulbs from the 1 bulbs, and it's big bright. Joey had a welding term that I've never heard before and thought you should know.
So I have these 2 friends that are welders, and they were telling me when I go to fix my frame, I got to use one of these fish plate things. And the theory is that on curved this, if you had it flat, the weld will just like rip and break. But if you have it like this, it is stronger.
It's probably not a theory, but it's a fact.
It's a fact. And I'm too dumb to really explain it, but that's, I guess, an idea. Grinding out the weld I just did. Safety squints.
Figured we'd give the titanium a run for its money here. We switched welders just to see
She fucking ripped.
just to see what it would do. That clip you saw there was it doing. I don't
Fires
know.
up pretty nice, but I guess it heats up the rod a lot. I don't know.
Yeah. What's the aftermath?
Not great.
Not great.
I don't know if I just kept burning it out. You can see right there. I forgot how to cut earlier, and I cut in the wrong spot. So don't even worry about that. But we added another fish plate to the exterior, so we're getting her real nice and strong, glued on there. It's late. That's the most recent bead. He says that's looking pretty slick, actually. Look at that beauty.
Oh, maybe it's not that slick. I just work here.
Will it hold?
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
That's all I need to hear.
You know, for the gap that was actually on camera, it looked bad, but to me in real life, It looks pretty fucking good. So, you know what? Fuck you. I'm a CWI. You probably don't even know what that means, so.
Certified
go.
weld inspector.
Yes, sir.
What's the Texas TIG?
So basically, you get your stick rod, you break the flux off another stick rod, and
As follows.
you basically just strike an arc. Once you get that puddle, you dab in your other stick rod, just like your TIG welding, but obviously you're not, because it's stick. That's Texas TIG, baby. Right there. Right there.
If that bolt was in there one more day, it wouldn't come out. Both of them? Oh, I'm welding.
Yeah, I laid down a bead. It's
wasn't-
another day.
He wasn't very happy with it.
Mason was a good
My
70,
favorite
18.
stick welder when we were in school was 7018, and we happened to be using 7018. So I'm going to see if I can remember how to do it, and if it comes out decent-ish. Might take me a couple tries to get there.
I got confidence in you.
My first one, probably gonna be interesting. Saying like, I'm just gonna do a little short burst since I don't wanna, since we're gonna use this metal eventually. I'm more worried about the sparks going down my shoes though. I'm about to go fucking get batteries for my goddamn helmet. I have a what's it called? I don't know. Never mind. Stand by. Oh. Think I'm going too fast? Yeah, I went way too fast.
You look like a welder. If it makes you feel
Looked
better.
like one. It was so weird because you have to like, I forgot you have to like chase it as it goes. It's a
It looks pretty.
it's a bead for sure.
It looks good. It's just, I think, yeah, you have to just
Yeah, it's because we're
push
trying
more
to.
rod
'Cause
into
we
it.
got a big gap here, right? Yeah.
I don't want to fill it with like one pass, but still.
Mm-mm.
So this is my weld. I probably should show it, even though it's not good. It's kind of good, but it's just, I have really shaky hands, as you can tell by the video you're watching right now.
We got a helmet that functions in more ways than one. It stays up, stays on your head, and now it dims thanks to the donor battery. Now I can concentrate because I'm not trying to like fucking hold the hood up. Guy's getting in here this time. Looks slightly fatter. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Your slag's
It's cracking.
Coming up on its own. That's how you know it's a good weld.
Mint. Safety squints.
Oh, yeah. You're ready for the pipeline.
certified truck welder upper.
But that was flat. Now you gotta go uphill.
Yeah. We'll figure it out.
It'll be
I'll do
fine.
like I'll do the pass or so, and then if we decide that it's any better than Joey's, then I guess we'll decide who's going to fuck up his truck.
Recording.
Because I'm struggling.
ATD fabrication.
On today's episode. Alright, if I stop instantly again. I did it. Alright, I'm just gonna go. Oh god. Hold on now. Oh, that was actually not bad.
Yeah, it looks decent.
I just couldn't figure out how to control it.
Nope.
Hold on, get her under control. There's a hole there.
That's fine. That's how you strike. What's your review of your weld?
I don't know yet. I really can't see.
Your top one you can't really tell, but
This one was interesting. Well, that's also. Where's the little bing bong? Joey is my servant. I am an idiot in the hole.
I'm welder helper. It appears you got the penetration though, which is what matters.
I would definitely go over it again in that low spot, right?
Well, they're supposed to.
Yeah.
He put like 4 passes on this side.
That's
so.
actually not bad.
Going for another.
Going in for another. I'm gonna try not directing it with that hand. I can't see. Yeah, I don't think they're any better than what Joey can do, TBH. I don't know where the brush went.
It looks nicer.
Yeah, I mean, it's not as globby.
I think maybe if I picked a speed.
Yeah. You'll figure it out, Jer.
Got some interesting geometry going on. Mason's gonna weld it.
I'm just trying to spark it and then start going, but it's so hard. I lost the angle.
He got it. He got it stricken.
I can't see though.
I might have to pull your ground off.
I don't know what I did.
You were doing some Bluetooth welding. The arc was real wide.
Was it? I couldn't see.
I can't tell right now, but it doesn't look bad.
I literally could just see the corner of the metal and was like, I think this is where they meet. Like I said, I think if we just get this corner where it's attached a little bit.
The other side's beefed up probably more than it needs to be. So,
Yeah.
what's your review as far as welding a frame?
Definitely. This particular spot is terrible. Oh, there we go. There's
So
one.
this cross member is riveted on. So we were like, what if we removed it? And then looked and yeah, it don't remove, so.
Can you see it now? I can't see. You have to use the camera.
I can see it. It's...
I definitely went too fast.
Just a fact.
I got a new angle here. Kind of sit on the diff and then you can kind of get where mine didn't go. So,
Should I go downhill?
you can do whatever you want. Way to do it.
I could not see.
You touched it better than I did at my angle.
I still can't tell if I welded. Alrighty guys, got her all welded up. This side looks really bad. This is the side I did. I just ended up ground it all down, primered and painted it, didn't want it to rust. Got some decent penetration, you can see. That's all primered and painted. And this side is too. You can see the welds are actually good here. And yeah, that's how you fix a frame on a Dodge, supposedly. Yeah, it looks pretty good actually. I was surprised at how well this looked. Got it squared up pretty nice too. So next step, that thing over there, that flatbed's got to go on here. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to keep up on the old 2nd gen build. She's this is the first step in a long list of things to do. So yeah, make sure you like this video and subscribe to see more.